let's talk about SPA applications, and that is single page application. A single page application, or SPA, is a web application or website that interacts with the user by dynamically rewriting the current page than loading entire new pages from the server. This approach avoids interruption of the user experience between successive pages, making the application behave more like a desktop application. In an SPA, all necessary HTML, JavaScript, and CSS code is either retrieved with a single page load, or the appropriate resources are dynamically loaded and added to the page as necessary, usually in response to user actions. So the SPA approach reduces the amount of data transferred over the network and can lead to improved performance and smoother user experience. Consider how email services like Gmail work. When you log in, you don't have to reload the web page to see new emails, send an email, or move an email to a folder. The page doesn't refresh. Instead, it is dynamically updates the content you interact with. This is a practical example of how SPAs enhances user experience by providing instantaneous feedback and interaction without the need for page reload. And React is a single page application. So as you can see, how React is going to help us to build awesome and user-friendly applications. When to use SPA applications like React. One is that it is useful for applications requiring real-time update with users, such as chat apps and live collaboration tools, and projects where a seamless user experience is crucial, like in web-based productivity tools, dashboards, or social media platforms, and scenarios where the application's performance and loading time are critical, as SPAs can significantly reduce load times after the initial page load. Now, let's see this diagram to explore more. As we spoke about, for SPA, we have only one HTML. If you are building traditional applications, we're going to have individual HTML for each pages. Let's say we are building this application or website to display company's details, and that is homepage, contact us, and event. For traditional applications, we're going to have HTML for the homepage, for the contact, and event. So let's say that I want to navigate into contact. Unless the page reload before I can see the contact, and even for the event, let's say we are retrieving this data from a backend. If I click on this, for example, the first event, it needs to reload the entire page, and this one does not improve user experience. But with single page applications like React, we're going to have only one HTML. And this is where other components are going to inject. So in React, we call this one as component, a component, and a component. And even for this homepage, we can have individual components like text, description, button, and others. Don't worry, when we get to React, you better understand what are components. Let's see some of the features that SPA application provides, and we have already explored. When it comes to the concept, it is for single page, dynamic content update, client-side rendering, and for advantages, it is for improved user experience, faster page transitions, reduced server load, and for key components, it uses HTML, CSS, and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue. So these libraries or frameworks are all SPAs. And then for user interactions, navigation without reloading, real-time content update, and for performance, it is for caching, lazy loading, asynchronous API calls, and this is where React query shines. Don't worry, we will get there very soon. And one challenge is about SEO optimization, initial load performance, and managing browser history. And this is where Next.js also shine. Don't worry, after knowing React, you can learn other frameworks or libraries like Next.js. In summary, a single-page application offers a modern approach to web development by allowing for dynamic interactions on a single web page. By reducing page reloads, SPAs can offer a smoother, faster user experience similar to desktop applications. They are especially suited for applications requiring real-time interactions and seamless user experience.